putting energy into people because he said this and she said this. Who cares? Let them talk. Let them waste their breath. Don't waste yours. What's up, y'all? It's Taty and back for another video, and as you can see by the title, today we are doing like a chit chat plus some tips. It's just gonna be like showing y'all how I do my hair while I talk to y'all, so it's not just a boring little tutorial, okay? I've been getting so many questions about how I do my hair and stuff like that. It's the same as always, but I didn't know if you guys wanted like an updated tutorial because you guys keep asking for it. So I do basically the same thing, but it'll be fun to do anyway. I think I'm gonna sit like back here. Oh no, maybe like here, just so y'all can see the whole thing. So if you're like, why are you so far away, it's for your benefit, because I love you. So obviously, well, I don't know if it's obvious to you guys, but all of this is not all my hair. The hair that I have in my head is from Nadula. I have in, I think, like 2 bundles and then a leave out. This is what the box looks like when you get it. It's super cute, very sleek. And I literally still have 2 bundles left. I think I braided them though. Yeah, I be putting my bundles in like little braids when I don't use them so that they can like stay cute. But this is a whole nother bundle and then another one. So the hair is so thick, like, can you guys see? Like, it's enough that I only did 2 bundles in my head, and usually I use like 3-ish. So the 2 was definitely enough. So with Nadula, you're gonna get what you pay for. I got 4 bundles of the 26-inch body wave. So, but I did, like, you know, brushed out and everything like that. This is why it's not completely body wave, and I've been like straightening it and doing all that stuff. But the natural texture is bomb, like the curve. So yeah, I will leave everything down below about this hair, all the descriptions, the links, all that stuff if you want to go get it directly. Let's just get into this. But first, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? We're gonna give you a couple seconds to do that. Did you do it? Good. Now you can watch the video, and welcome to our family. Also, follow me on my socials. They're gonna be right here. You can participate in polls, all that fun stuff, or whatever. Let's just get into this. All right, y'all. So I already like brushed my hair out completely. I have it half a pop down, so like my leave out blends pretty nicely with the bundles because I dyed them black. So we're just undetectable. So yeah, brushed it out, kind of slicked it up, did my edges. So now at this point, you just gotta get to curling, sis. I don't know what wand this is, but it's Conair, it's busted, it's old, but it still does the job, so don't try to clock me. Just search like red Conair wanding curling wand, and it should be like this. So what you're gonna need for this is, if you do your edges, you're gonna need an edge brush, you're gonna need some styling gel, you're gonna need, you know, to hold your edges down. You're gonna need a curling wand or just like a curling iron, because you can still wrap the hair around that. And then a brush, like a bristled brush, and some hairspray. Alright, so when I start, right, in the front right here, like, because this is my real hair, obviously it's shorter, I want like a little bit of volume. So I just kind of curl it, and then like, see how I like cup it where it comes in my hand, and I kind of just like scrunch it up, and now you got this tight little curl. See her? Cute. Now we're gonna brush all this out later so we get like big body, but the tighter the curl is now, the nicer the body will look later. Now with the second piece, because it's a little bit longer, I like to start blending that with the bundle. So I pick up some of the bundle, you see, so it's kind of almost like a similar thickness, and then I curl those 2 together. So same thing, I kind of wrap and twist. If you can see, my hand is like twisting, just for like extra curl. And then same deal, I'm just holding it here, and then I'm gonna let it go into my hand again, cup, and then let her down, nice and spiral. Okay, now when I feel like rushing and doing it messy, I don't really care about like the frizz and stuff, because I want it to be like a messy body wave. But for the purpose of the video, I'm gonna keep a brush on deck just to like keep the rest of it smoothed down so it's not as messy. Ooh. So I basically just repeat the process. So depending on how you want it to look, you can do yours tighter or smaller. I just think this like amount is good for me when I brush it out. So you can see how mine looks like at the end, and then if you want it to be like more or less, you'll know if you should make your curls smaller or bigger. So let's get to chit-chatting. So I know y'all are going back to school very soon, and I just want to give y'all some tips of the trade, because y'all be y'all be wilding out. I'm gonna do like a whole dedicated video, but I just want to like chit chat in this one. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna tell y'all is stop being disrespectful to y'all teachers. Unless they like crazy rude to you or whatever, it's not cute. Like, it's really not cute to be disrespectful to your teachers because they show up every day to make your life better. Stop being disrespectful to your nice teachers. I mean, to anybody, because even the mean teachers, if you're disrespectful to them, they will make your life terrible, okay? Terrible. So just try to suck that up or go talk to like a guidance counselor or something if they treat you bad. Y'all gonna learn to stop being mean to them because they're the ones that will really write you amazing recommendation letters that's gonna get y'all into colleges that you want to. That could really make or break you. A good recommendation letter like could really change everything for you. So for you to sit there and be like rude and not realize that that's a stepping stone to get where you want to be, like, sister, what? I just hate seeing that. I hate seeing people do that stuff. It's just so annoying. Have a good relationship with y'all teachers because those are the people that are really gonna help you get to the next level. And your guidance counselors, because they put in work around college time. I'm not saying you gotta, you know, suck up to them and like bring them apples and stuff to class, but be decent. Like, damn, like, just say hello, good morning. Like, that's really very simple, but that can make an impact on your teacher because a lot of people, you know, your teachers are always there looking out for you, but nobody looking out for them. So it's nice to just be like, how are you doing today? Just, damn, how much does that take out of your day? You got dreams and goals? How you gonna get there? Somebody's gotta, you know, I mean, you could get there on your own, but if somebody can help you and is willing to push you up further, why would you not take the opportunity? Then, being mean to each other. I'm not even talking about like classic bullying because hurt people, because hurt people and that's where bullies come from. Like, they're just upset with their life, therefore it's easier to make you be upset with yours. Don't pay bullies no mind, and if you're a bully, get right with yourself. Stop trying to make other people be miserable like you. That's not it at all, and karma is gonna come back tenfold for you and your life's gonna be worse off. Do you want that? No. Okay, so get yourself together, try putting out positive energy and see how that does for you, okay? But anyway, y'all talking about people in school and like making fun of them and stuff, you might think that's not bullying, but it truly is. Like, that stuff gets back to people and it's just not, it's not it. You don't gotta say that so-and-so sneakers are ugly and you don't like her outfit, she wears too much makeup, Who cares? I just truly don't understand how that affects you. It don't. Nothing that somebody else is wearing or doing or saying, as long as they're not saying it to you, how does it affect you at all? That's being nosy and being in people's business, and you being in other people's business is taking time away from you being in your own business, okay? Instead of being like, oh, so-and-so sneakers are old and dusty and maybe talk to him, see why, maybe see if he's struggling and stuff. Be a friend. Don't sit there and be an ass and just be like, ha, her outfit sucks, ha. Like, what's so funny? Okay, your attitude sucks and that's something you can't change. Then we gotta talk about drama with each other. At the end of the day, it's just a waste of time. And honestly, I get it, because when you're in like high school, middle school, whatever, your responsibilities are nowhere near as like lengthy as they are when you're an adult. So it's like you don't really got nothing better to do. But that's how you feel. You actually do have a lot better to do. You're sitting there fighting with girls, talking about who said what, who had whatever with who cheated on who cares? Like, oh my god, that is so tiny in the grand scheme of life and what you could be doing with your time. Y'all should be cooking up business ideas. Y'all should be studying and getting that higher grade so you can get that better scholarship. Y'all should be doing some sort of after school activities, like some club, some sports, something. Do something with your time. Because I promise you, you will not care about this in 10 years, but you will care about the fact that you might not have the job or the degree or anything that you want because you wasted your time doing that, not productive things. Alright, so this side is all done and curled up, as you can see. So now I'm going to take this Pantene Maximum Hold hairspray. I don't like putting it up here too much just because like this is my real hair and I don't want it to get like too much product in it. I just like holding the curls down here at the bundles. So I just kind of like just kind of scrunch it in there like that. I don't do the whole shh because I don't want that much in it. Obviously it's not staying like this, but the hairspray is just gonna like keep the body in it when I brush it out. Alright, so now on to the other side. Same little thing with a little piece in the front. Give it a little body, let it be naturally short, you know. Now I'm not gonna sit here and say to y'all that I've like never had drama, because that would be a lie, but like as high school goes on, you just realize like, girl, what am I doing? And honestly, I don't want to say that I've never had drama in high school, because like I don't know, but it's like I don't recall any drama in high school, so really I don't even know if I have. If you want to say drama, I just had one incident where this racist boy called me the N-word, and you know, that didn't go so well for him, so that could be drama. But other than that, no. At the end of the day, all of that stuff is just wasted energy, and I just would rather see y'all put that into yourselves, or like something bigger than yourselves, like some sort of organization or a club or whatever. Like that's where that energy needs to go. Putting energy into people because he said this and she said this, who cares? Let them talk. Let them waste their breath. Don't waste yours. Okay, I'm gonna finish this side up real quick, and then I'll probably just like speed it up or cut it out or whatever, and then I'll show y'all how I brush it all out to get the big body. Okay, so I did the hairspray on this side and everything, same deal. So now I'm just taking this brush. I don't know what this is, like the Wet Brush Pro. Any brush, honestly, as long as it has like wider bristles like this. And then I kind of hold it like this and then just like brush out the bottom. See how much like body that already gave it? You kind of just got to give it a big brush, finger through it, a little brush at the top. Now look at the difference between this little skinny side and all of this volume. Like, yes, same deal over here, and just like all of it. I didn't do this side as good because I feel like I was just over it. I'm really hungry, but regardless. And there's the body wave. Alright y'all, so that is exactly how I do my big body wave curls. Sharing all my secrets. And you can see like how good this hair is, like how soft it is, how nice it blends. So like I really do like Nadula. So if y'all are interested in these bundles, go ahead and check the description box down below. But before I close this out, y'all know I have to give my shout out of the week. This week's shout out goes to Mariah's Life. Mad pretty. Thank you for supporting me. I saw your comment under my last haul, and I just wanted to say I love you so, so much, and that will never change. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you have any other questions or whatever, make sure you comment down below. Y'all know I'm very active in the comments. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one.